Good morning, friends and neighbors. So here it is, my checkout day from the Bellagio, and I realized I haven't done a room tour. So instead of doing it when we check in, well, we're going to be doing it as we check out. So if you happen to catch a few dirty towels laying around the bathroom, or the bed doesn't look made, or there's some stuff laying around here and there, well, that's why. So I got this room free through the My Vegas app, and it was going to be Resort King for one night free for resort fees. And upon checking in, they actually let me switch it to a Queen. So what you're seeing here is a Resort Queen room. And I know I didn't end up with a strip view or anything, but to be honest, I don't mind the view that I have here. I like having a shot of the entire valley, and you can see the Palms Hotel and the Rio off in the distance. And I don't mind looking down at the I-15 freeway for a while and just watching the cars go back and forth. To me, it's actually kind of relaxing to just sit there with a drink and watch everybody else driving around. And although it's not much, we do have a little bit of a view of the pool. I'll show a little bit more of that in my next video. So all in all, not that bad a room, especially for only $45 a night, which is what it cost me for just the resort fees. And I will say it was pretty quiet. Now, if you'll excuse me, I got a flight to catch, so I got to get out of here. And hey, if you want to help out the channel, head on over to mcaltees.com and check out our great selection of t-shirts, mugs, hoodies, and more. Because you know life is just too short to wear a boring t-shirt. Thanks for watching. Peace out.